Hi there guys and girls, good evening. We wanna talk with Kokoy De Santos. Are you sure? Hold on. I'm gonna get you in him. Sir Kokoy, hi, good evening.
Hello.
I just wanna ask, what's your role here in the movie?
Ako si Bogs, magkapatid kami dito ni Miss Julia Montes.
Okay. Are you the kontrabida or no? Of course, it shouldn't be. Would you like to invite our viewers? I'm Hendrix Sege, by the way. Nice to meet you.
Yes, sa lahat po ng mga nakapanood dito, please po, supportahan po natin. Ngayon paparating na December 25, official entry for Metro Manila Film Festival, 50th anniversary. Ngayon po, Topak! Damay-damay na to.
One more question. Do you think iba yung role mo dito compare sa mga naibang mong movies or?
Yes, ibang-iba po. Ibang-iba. As in, siguro edad pa lang, may ganung feeling kagad daw pag naalala ko yung role ko na dito si Sir Very Bunso eh.
Okay.
At iba, action to eh.
Sino, sir, ang ano mo rito, ang love team?
Wala. Love team mo.
So wala ritong parang mga intimate moments na ano?
Eh, ano tayo dito, bakbakan lang.
Bakbakan lang. How about yung nagpakita ka ba rito ng ano? Well, no malice.
Wala.
So, wholesome ka rito.
Action lang.
Pero may action.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Sir Kokoy.
Thank you po. Nice
More power on your career.
Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you.
If you have time, please watch my YouTube channel.
Yes po.
Hendrix A.
Hendrix A.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Bye-bye.